naman yan for a different song. For this kind of music, you cannot medyo do that kasi parang, di ba? So we are going to forget that. We are going to change your movements, okay? Go to the side. One slide. One slide. One. Ayan na tayo, nawala na. Kailangan importante yung paa nyo.
Ma'am, dalawa lang pong ganun.
Ayan na.
Ay.
Di ba?
Wala ako.
Game. Up. Oh. Hindi yun ang tono sa instrumental tayo eh. Yan, meron na tayo, di ba? 10, 10. Meron na tayo dyan eh. Gawa na yan, gawa na yan. Ang ginagawa natin yung instrumental part. 1, 10, pam, 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 tan, tan, tan. Mabilis yun. 1, 2, 3. Tan. Huwag naman ibaba ng gano'n. Halo. Galing dito, di ba? Oh, never hang it. It's here in your knee. Point, shoulder level, chin up. And then you put drop down, and then use your right to point. Right, right, stop. Yun lang yun, napakadali. Kasi hindi nyo ginagamit yung ano nyo, kung anong paang binaba. From the left, make sure girls ha, pag ginawa nyo na yung may ganyan, hindi pa rin nakaganyan. Nakadikit. Point. Arch. Oops, aeroplano, maglalanding, diretso. Ito, drop, go, drop, right, 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 stop. Okay? Yun lang yun. Go. Galing tayo sa ganyan. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, drop. Ay, naku, nawala na tayo. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, walk, go. 1, 2, 1 and up and 1 drop, go, pam, pam. Ito, game. See? Yun ang timing, oh. Sige, mag-smile. Oo nga pala, no? Game. Tapos tayo dito, no? Bang. Malalagay ngayon natin yung walk natin. Cross. May arms lang, ha? May arms. Go. Cross. Cross. Pam. 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 Stop. Diba? Stop here. From here, yun na yun may lyrics, na, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Move back. Then, mabilis to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay. Ang kulang natin, Ray, pa-play ng instrumental, ha? Teacher Ray, instrumental, please. Ito yan. Instrumental part.
Dumilim bigla. Wala eh. Ay, grabe dilim.
Turn down. Yan. Ray.